Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Rubbermaid Mop Bucket. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Rubbermaid Mop Bucket for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. The Rubbermaid wavebrake mop bucket and wringer is a top-rated solution for both commercial and residential cleaning needs. Known for its innovative design, this mop bucket combines durability with advanced functionality, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to make their cleaning routine easier. One of the standout features of the wavebrake mop bucket is its wavebrake technology, which significantly reduces splashing during use. This helps keep floors dry and minimizes water mess, creating a safer environment while you clean. Whether you're cleaning large commercial spaces or smaller areas at home, this bucket's 35-44 quart capacity provides ample room for water, making it ideal for a variety of jobs. The integrated wringer is designed for ease of use, allowing you to wring out mops with minimal effort. It's tough and efficient, ensuring that you get the job done faster with less strain. The bucket's sturdy construction is made from high-density plastic, so it resists cracks and fading, offering long-lasting reliability. Thanks to its ergonomic handles and large wheels, the Rubbermaid wavebrake mop bucket is easy to maneuver, even when full. Its sleek design is also compatible with various Rubbermaid cleaning tools, making it a versatile addition to any cleaning routine. The Rubbermaid wavebrake mop bucket and wringer is a must-have for anyone who wants a durable, efficient, and safe mop bucket. Its splash-reducing technology, ease of use, and robust build make it a top choice for both professionals and homeowners alike. Thanks for watching the video.